What is the difference between SEO and Google Ads? Google Ads is obviously with paid ads. We run ads. You pay for placing your ads on Google. Well, you don't pay for placing it, but pay for when somebody clicks on it. On Google and its other properties and partners, whereas the SEO is the organic way to get ranked on Google. So let's say if I search for a particular keyword, I'll bring this over here. So I'm just searching for Google Ads dentist, right? So you see the ads at the top. This is where the organic listings are. So it goes, sometimes they show the Google Maps over here and so on. So this, if somebody clicks on here, I don't get any charges, get free traffic. It's not free actually, because we need to do a fair amount of work to rank on Google page 1. It's not easy. Every niche, every vertical or market you go or you are bidding for will have competition. So you need to be doing some content marketing, uploading your blogs regularly. Social proof plays a big part over here as well. And there are lots of other signals which Google will take into account and then rank websites, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. This is the organic one. What we also do is we get our videos ranked on Google page 1. And this is something very few companies and businesses are leveraging. Google will show up to 4 different videos on Google page 1. This is free traffic as well. And it's a very powerful way to have multiple links on Google page 1. Now over here, if I had one more blog post, which Google thought is really good and is rankable, I can have multiple SEO rankings over here, but not on the ads. You can't have, you'll only have one ad over here at the top, not multiple, but you can have as many links over here if Google thinks that your website links are better than the competitors, then you will get ranked. So right now over here on this page, I've got 1 as my text link, 3 as my video, and this takes up a huge real estate on Google. And you can see that these are the only links with an actual custom image which has got my headshot on it, or it could have your logo on it. So it's a very powerful way to get ranked on Google, and I would highly recommend that you start with video marketing if you already haven't started yet.